Hello? Hey, baby, it's me. I know it's been a while, but I love you, and what you mean? Who's this clown? Nah, oh shit.
Is this a love story? I thought maybe you were made for me. Is this a love story? Or is my mind playing tricks on me? Is this a love story? I will give you the whole world. Is this a love story? 'Cause you will always be my girl.
I tried to hide the smoke with the ginger ale. The only time that you felt betrayal. I mean, for real, that's the way that I feel. There were too many questions, so I had to leave and I couldn't leave a message. It was the love that I was testing, this love that is destined. My heart is a mirror and you are the reflection. Do you need directions? You used to be my best friend. A lot's been happening now. I've been singing, I've been rapping in town, stacking dough, perfecting my style. I was loving you then, and I'm loving you now, and I'm loving your smile. But I only see it when I'm dreaming. We ain't talking, we ain't speaking. Please tell me what's the reason. It's God's hands that he's in. I'm on the come up, I got more than G's in my hand. Take you overseas to Japan, get down on one knee and I'll be freezing your hand. Finish school, I got degrees in the plan. Never found a love like this, the reason I ran. Please stop fighting with me. My Valentine, I'm still sick, I need some vitamin C. I'ma take you shopping, get it poppin' for two. Take you out to Scotland and you can tell them it's through. This love story, it has to be felt. And if she doesn't come back, I'll be asking myself.
Love story. I thought maybe you were made for me. Is this a love story? Or is my mind playing tricks on me? Is this a love story?